Okay, I'm going to be mixing and matching footage from these oil change videos, but something you should do before you change your oil, after it's been sitting, is check the level before you change it, because you don't want to just drain it without looking to see if you're using oil. Now, I don't know if y'all can see, but it's still a hair above the full mark, which is right where it was when I changed it last time, so that's good. For this car, I've got the filter number written down, and also what I need to do. I need a 17 millimeter and a 10 millimeter to be able to change the oil. So every time, because I forget, so I come over and look, hey, get a 17, get a 10. You can see I've got them down there. So the first thing is to get all these stupid clips pointed. Okay. And you can buy a big pack of these things on Amazon. I bought a big old assortment of them because you're gonna break them. Or if you take your car somewhere else, they're gonna lose them, or they're gonna break them and they're not gonna replace them. This is just a 10 millimeter, and these are not tight. I'm just doing this because I'm lazy. I've got the tool. Tighten these by hand. But then you'll see there's, I don't know if y'all can see, there's like a little thing right here, and there's one right there. So you just kind of pull this down. Oh, this clip didn't let go there. Pull this down and it slides out and just falls out. Get the oil draining, and this thing always drips. I don't know why. Whatever. So, and I have a new crush gasket on there, but it ain't like it's loose either. Now, what you want to do is kind of put pressure this way, and you'll feel the thread skip like you've screwed it all the way out. Once you start feeling that, you know that you're the only thing keeping the oil is the pressure you're putting on this plug. Okay, I can feel it. Okay, now. If you buy a factory filter, it'll come with a new crush washer. If not, you can use them over again. I mean, nobody says, some people say you can't, but I've done it before. I don't know what the torque spec is on this, but I just get it tight. Not stupid tight though. Just there. And I was not pulling that hard. Now we're going to do the oil filter. New filter. This off. Get some oil. Rub it on there. Now I always use a wrench to tighten it because I can't get my hand up there and it's suddenly slippery. But I'm hardly, it's supposed to be hand tight. This engine takes 5 point something quarts. So this is the 5th quart going in right now. So what I'll do is I'll start it, let it build oil pressure, turn it off, let it set, and then we'll top it off to what the dipstick says is appropriate. So what we're going to do now, I'm going to put it on too tight. We're going to turn it on, and we're going to check for leaks. But this is just like an aerodynamic thing. And there's a tab here, tab here. This tab goes in here, this tab goes in here. So I always put this one in first. And then that's it. Now let's go back up top and we'll top off the oil. Let's see what the dipstick says. So you can see it's right halfway between the 2 dots, and the 2 dots are the safe range, so I'm going to try to add some to get it up to that dot. Luckily this oil, this synthetic oil, is so thin it didn't take long to run down there. Right on it. Reset the mileage. I'm assuming y'all can see this. I hope so. Oh, come on, man. Service interval. Push in. Reset. Push in. Now you can see it says now I've got 4,500 miles or 182 days before the interval comes on. And the only other thing to do, write it down. So those are engine air filters. Now I'm going to do the cabin filter. Today's the, so you just put in March 19th, mileage. Oh, that's transmission. Mileage, 530, Mobile 1, Hyundai filter. All right. See ya. So we're going to go down here. Service interval. Enter. Yeah, it's enabled. Oh, adjust interval. I have it at 4,500 miles or 6 months. This thing says like 7,000 or something stupid. So I have it at 4,500, and so that when it starts complaining, I know I've got about 1,000 miles, give or take, to change it before. I think 5,500 is about as much as I want to go. So anyway, so let's scroll through that. Now we reset it. Reset time and distance, yes. Okay, so now it's telling me I've got, if you see at the bottom, now it's telling me I've got 4,500 miles or 62 days before the oil change is due. That's it. Hope this helps somebody. See ya.